Hi everyone. So we are going to Pella today for the Tulip Festival.
We're going on the Clueless.
So this will be our first time. And hopefully we'll have fun. I'm gonna eat a lot of food. We'll just find something good and we'll take you with us. Hey hot stuff.
Hey.
Where are we going?
To the zoo.
To the zoo? No, we're not going to the zoo. Oh, you can see me.
See what?
On the mirror.
Well,
Ouch.
that's what I said before.
Oh, okay.
You got your GPS with that, right?
Yeah.
I keep thinking, you got. Oh,
What?
that's what I keep hearing. I keep thinking the dog's following us
No.
with the bells.
It's a beautiful day outside. What's the temperature right now? 75 degrees. Is it an hour away, babe?
No, about 40 minutes.
40 minutes? Okay.
Half hour, 40 minutes.
So, I'm kind of pretty excited. I'm excited for the food. Whatever.
Always.
Oh, fuck.
What?
I left my debit card.
That's the oldest trick in the book right there.
The what?
Oldest trick in the book.
What do you mean?
Well, if I forgot my debit card, you gotta pay for everything.
I always put it in my name tag and at work.
I forgot my wallet.
What?
Yep. No food.
By the way, if you like these kind of videos, click like and subscribe and put a comment below and tell us what you guys think or what you guys want, what kind of videos you guys want. Alright, I love you guys and just keep on watching. What is going on?
Road construction.
What is she doing?
Doing the chicken dance. Yeah.
What do we do?
Stop. The
Oh,
sign says.
I thought you just stop and then go.
Are you kidding me?
No, why is she in the middle of the road?
Because she's a construction worker and they're doing construction at that end of the road and they walkie-talkie and tell when we're allowed to go.
Oh, but I don't see anything going on.
Oh my goodness. Quit while you're ahead. Quit while you're ahead.
Hey,
No, she's just standing in the middle of the road because she wants to do the funky chicken dance for us.
I seriously think that we can go, but
No,
why?
we can't. Why would she be standing in the middle of the road then? Why did she get up when we pulled up right here?
Oh my god.
It says stop here.
Well, I don't see any blockage or anything.
I've been in road construction sites. It's a one-lane road.
Come down.
No, it's hard. It's like explaining it to a preschooler.
This happens all the time.
No, yeah, we haven't explained shit.
Stop.
Are you recording this?
Yeah.
That's awesome. I'm not going to be any different. Oh my goodness.
I seriously don't understand why we have to stop when there's
Fat people just don't get in the middle of the road for no reason.
Well, what are we waiting for?
Ask because they're doing road work. If I start to go, she's gonna push this car over.
You think so?
Yep. You want to try it? You got that little Asian guy back there. Get in the car. Get out of his car. Like, see? Now they're letting that traffic through. See how that works?
What traffic?
That's coming from there.
Oh.
See, there's cars on the other side that are stopped.
Oh,
They
now
gotta
I
come through
understand.
first.
Well, I did not see them. I was like, what are
See?
they waiting for?
Because I've been through this before.
Oh.
Yeah. See
You
how
know,
that
I
works?
wouldn't. I would be like
I am
freaking.
an American.
I am an American too.
Yeah, but you need to start learning things.
Stop.
See, pilot car, follow me. Now the fat lady's gonna let us go.
Oh, I see. Oh, jeez.
Oh my god. Oh my god, now I get it. Oh, I get it. Now it's all coming to me.
Oh, now I understand what we're doing. Duh.
That makes sense.
I did not understand at first why we have to stop because I did not see any oncoming traffic. That's why. Duh.
Well, a fat lady don't just get out of the car and stand in the middle of the road for no reason where a stop sign is.
Oh.
Or a construction sign is.
Well, often in Des Moines.
Yes, it does.
I don't see a pilot car follow me. Never followed one. This is the first
You
time.
must detour then.
Is that like an instrument?
Yes, those are. Here, read it. Street organ.
Oh. That is the back of it?
Yeah. This is called a street organ. They played them at markets and fairs in Europe. This is about 175 years old.
Oh
And
wow.
when they played them there, they had to crank them by hand. There was no electricity on it.
Yeah, right.
There's 900 pipes in there.
Wow.
And each has tuned itself. And there it goes.
That's cool.
When I set it in gear, it'll turn on itself.
I like that.
She's like, get me dancing. That's so cool.